everyone, today I am making Shahi paneer. First we'll make mixed spice powder. For that we'll take a jar, add large cardamom, small cardamom, cloves, black pepper, cinnamon sticks and grind it and make a powder of it. Keep it aside. Now for gravy take sliced tomato, sliced onion, garlic cloves, ginger, chilli, some salt and some water. Whistle it for 2 to 3 times. When done, cool it down. Now grind and make a paste out of it. Heat a pan or a kadai, add some ghee. When the ghee is warm, add turmeric powder. Now add the paste and saute it for 5 minutes. Now cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. When gravy is boiled, add spices which we made. Now cook it for some time. After 2 minutes, add red chilli powder and mix it properly. Now add sugar. Now cook it more for 5 to 6 minutes. We need to cook in a very low flame. Now add cream or a malai. Add cream gradually. Please check my description box for the measurement of ingredients. Now cook it for more 5 to 6 minutes and add paneer. As you see, the gravy is thick and the ghee is coming out of it. So now your Shahi paneer is ready to serve. Garnish it with cream and sprinkle some saffron. You can add some cashew nuts if you want. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out my upcoming videos.